Hi everybody, it's Neil here from Car Clinic out in Lowell. This young lady's come in for a bit of noise with her rear brakes, and we've just about to remove the caliper to see what's going on. The rotors themselves don't actually look too bad. You know, they've got a little discoloration, but they are aged brakes. So, removing the caliper here, right, we can actually see that the brake pad is very well worn out on the inside edge, on the outside edge, but on the inside edge, we're completely worn out. And these lines and ridges that we can see here and going into the metal, this pad is actually going into the rotor. So it's actually scrapped the inside of this rotor. So this is not getting just a pad replacement, it's going to get new rotors and pads. So if you're hearing some strange noises, squeaks or grinding coming from your brakes, this is actually what's happening, where you've got no material left on your brakes, and this can actually make your brake efficiency be very bad for stopping. Hope you stay safe out there, and remember, we can help you with all your car care needs. Thank you.